Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be solving a new Leetcode question that is capitalize the title. With the help of Python we will be solving this question. So as the question says, you are given a string title consisting of one or more words separated by a single space where each word consists of English letter. Capitalize this string by changing the capitalization of each word such that okay, so we have to capitalize the string by changing the capitalization of each word. So we have to change the words according to the condition they have said. So first of all, the condition they have said that if it is a one or two letters, so we have to remain it as it is, or we have to change it to actually to lowercase. So we have to change the first if it is consisting of one or two letters. For example, if there is I here, so we have to remain it is in a lowercase, or if it is off, for example here, so we have to return it in since it is two letters word, so we have to return it as in a lowercase. So otherwise what the condition says is for change the first letter to uppercase and the remaining to lowercase. If the word is not of one or two letters word, so we have to change it the first letter of each word to uppercase and the remaining to lowercase. So if you see here in the first example, actually the second example, so uh, the first word, if we talk about first, so the first letter, first character of the first word first, that is F, we have to capitalize it, and the remaining IRST we have to uh, convert it into lowercase, and then letter, of course, we have to return it in the uppercase, and the remaining ETTER in the lowercase, and off is a two letter word, so we have to return it in lowercase. Similarly each, so each we have to return the first letter of it in the uppercase and the remaining in the lowercase. And for a WORD, we have to return W in the capital case and the remaining in the lowercase. So this is all in the question, guys. I hope you have got the idea of how the question is asking us to perform the coding. So what actually the question is asking us, you have understood that much. So now let's start coding the question. So before starting the question, guys, please guys subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button so that you can get the recent updates from the channel. And the let's start solving this question. So first of all, I will be creating an empty array, or a list you can say, in Python. So we will be solving it with the help of Python, as I mentioned before. So I will be calling it a list. You can call it as an array as well. So now I have created an empty list here. Now next step, I will be saying that in the title should be in the array form. So if I put a split here, it says that the the title has been converted into array from string. So now I will create a loop here for I in range 0 to uh, len title. So I will be looping from 0 to len title. So uh, my I will what let me explain it to you what actually the logic I will be applying here. So I will be targeting each and every word here, and then I will be first of all checking if it is a two word or a one word. If it is a two word or a one word, I will be saying if it is, so looping through an array and checking each word. If it is a one or two letter word, then return it in lowercase, else else return it return the first character of the. So then I will be saying that return the first character of it uh, in the character of the word in the upper case and remaining in the lower case. So how actually I will be doing it this in let me tell you that I will be creating two parts, part 1 and part 2, and part 1 will hold the uppercase and part 2 will hold the remaining part of the word in the lowercase, and then I will add both of these words. So let's start solving this now. As you have got an idea what actually I will be doing, let's start coding it. And if len title is less than equal to 2 and len title is greater than 2, sorry, greater than 0, then return uh, sorry result dot append. So append, I will be appending all the values actually which are one or two letters. So I will be saying result dot append title I dot lower. Okay, else if elif, in Python we say elif, so len title I is greater than 2, then I will be creating two parts. Part 1 will hold the uppercase values, so that is title I, that is if I say 0 here, which means that the first word of the means ith word, this is the ith word and the first character of that ith word. For example, if I say talk about ith word, the first ith word 0, I0, I1, I2, so this is I0 here. So I0 and the 0 would be the C part, see this part. So I know you, I hope you have got the point here. So I will be saying dot upper part 2 equals to title I and the remaining I1 dot lower. Okay, so now what is this indexing means? So this is like the indexing in Python. So again I am saying that ith word, for example here in the example number 1, capitalize. So this is I is equals to 0 and this is indexing of that particular word. So this is indexing of particular words. So I am saying that from index 1 to the uh, length of that word, convert it into lowercase. So just return result dot append p1 plus p2. Now if I run this code, sorry, just I have to return result. So if I run this code, I will get an answer, but it will in the form of an array. So you can see that I do got have an answer here, but it is in the form of array. So simply I will saying that just uh, convert it into a string form with the help of join method. So this, so when I convert this in the form the array into join by into string by join method, you can see that we have got our answer here. So result dot, let me check what I have made a mistake here. uh, so title, capitalize the title, first letter of each word. Let me check. Okay, so I have been removed from here and off have been removed from here, so something wrong have been had here in this. So result dot append title I, if title I is okay, so actually I have to put I here. That is the mistake I have made here, because I have to target each and every word here. So I have just said that title as a whole array, but I have to target at each word of the title. So that's what it was coming up here. Now if you run this code, so see, it runs now, it works now. So this was all in the question, and I have applied I have applied for multiple test cases. So it runs for all of them. So this was all in the question, guys. Hope you have understood the concept. If you haven't understood if you haven't understood the concept, please guys comment in the comment section that you haven't understood the concept. I will explain it to you. So thank you guys for watching the video. See you next time.